morning, my fabulous chemistry minions. Video number 1, periodic table. What we're going to learn, how we're going to learn it, what are the big ideas and the learning targets. Before I get started, 2 quick clarifications I want to make on the front page. This isn't Unit 2, this is Unit 3, so cross that out, make that Unit 3. And there's a change in the tracker. I'll get there when we get there. So let's get to it. So first idea, big idea of this unit is periodic tables arranged by number of protons or atomic number in such a way that make these elements' properties become predictable, and that is called periodic law. Okay, so learning targets, there's a few of these, some like 9, so make sure you can fit them all in. First one, of course, is vocabulary. You need to be able to do the vocabulary for the periodic table unit. This is a vocab heavy unit. Sorry about your luck. Then we're going to learn a little bit about the history, the first periodic table, and where we are now. Then understand the modern arrangement of periodic table based on protons now instead of mass, and this periodic law thing that happens. Name and location of the 4 families or groups. So there are 4 that you need to know their names of. Which groups are they? Why are they families? Identify where in the periodic table metals, nonmetals, metalloids are. That's going to help us for the rest of the year. That's one of the big things we will need to know. Then we're going to get into phases a little bit. As a matter of fact, fairly redundantly, it's going to be in multiple videos because that's about the only time we're going to be able to sneak it in as far as the learning goes, and we're going to have to know it from here on out. Okay, so where are the solid, liquids, and gases? And then what on earth is an allotrope? We've done isotopes last unit. This is allotropes. This unit's something a little bit different. And then again, 2 different times we're going to do diatomic elements to make sure you got those. They will come into play for the rest of the year also. And then the actual meat and potatoes of the entire unit is actually this nuclear shielding and effective nuclear charge. It's going to be the grand reason why all these trends happen in the periodic table, and we need to understand the 4 trends based on atomic radius, reactivity, ionization energy, and electronegativity. So some of those are some really big old words, and those big old words we will talk about when we get to vocab. All right, so here we go. There's one issue here, and I left the smartboard off. So flame test, you cross that out nice. We are going to do metals versus non-metals. Will be the lab for this unit. There is going to be a lab, but it's not going to be called flame test lab. How that snuck in there, I don't have any idea. I must have just had flame test lab on the brain when I made this sequence. So everything else is legit. We got the right reference table quizzes. There's only 8 videos. Video 8, I think, is the big bad mamma jamma of the entire unit. So that's going to be the big one. There's going to be a few little ones along the way. So enjoy your time with periodic table, and let's figure out what this thing's all about. Wait, I said, see ya.